Hey guys, so I've already peeled and diced the sweet potato. So now I'm just going to blend it together and I'm going to put it on whip. So here I have the cornmeal, the sugar, and the flour. So I have a cup and a half of sugar, a cup of flour, and half a cup of cornmeal. If you have a sieve, I would advise you to run it through the sieve first to remove all lumps. I forgot to take my sieve out, so I already poured it. So I'm just mixing the dry ingredients together. Also gonna add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon. Okay, so I mixed up the dry ingredients. Everything is well mixed together. Now I'm going to pour out and now I'm going to gradually start adding the dry ingredients to the wet. Okay, so I have my baking pan, which I already greased. I'm just gonna pour this out into there. So I'm gonna start adding the butter in the corners. One in the center. Okay, so I'm done with the butter. And I'm gonna place it in the oven for at least an hour and 10 to an hour and 15 minutes. When I remove it, I'm going to add the rest of my coconut milk. I also have brown sugar in here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon powder in it as well, and that's just to add a glaze at the top. That soft glaze that you usually see here, that's how you do it. Okay, so it was in the oven for like an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm now going to add the coconut milk with the sugar mixture. Place in the oven for an additional 20 minutes, and there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Have a good weekend.